In this video, we have a 2010 Lexus LS 460. Again, yes sir, we got a nice deep maroon color. This car is beautiful. It's already well kept, as you can see here in the before photos. Looks real good. It does have, I mean, if you get up closer, you can see some imperfections in the paint, tree sap, that type of stuff. But on the rear quarter panel, you're gonna notice there is some severe clear coat damage. The only spot on the car. And you see it goes all the way up there on the rear of the quarter panel. So this is a 2-day job. I washed and I did the top portion that you just saw, and I came back the second day and did the portion. It's like a 3-inch portion that goes along the bottom of the rear window, and so I did that on day 2. All right, hey, take a look. Detailed therapy at its best. Let me know what you think.